What's up, guys? How's everybody out there doing tonight? I hope you all had a fantastic day today. Tonight's video is going to be on the Boombox high-end football, and this month the Boombox high-end and platinum have these smaller, more compact boxes. So we'll see what's in this one. This one's actually heavier. This one was heavier than the platinum football one from last night. So I just want to take a moment, and if there's any mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. If there's any mothers watching my channel tonight, I don't know why you would be on Mother's Day, but you never know. So we have our regular magnetic, the 20-point. Let's see. We have May's high-end football boombox, football boombox updates. Donruss Elite Team All, 2019 playoff, 15 Chrome, 14 Strata, 2013 SPA, and then, as I've said the last couple videos, the Bold Ticket, 2 Herbert full-size Chargers helmets. So, brand new, the Boombox Football Elites. Opened a couple of Elite boxes so far. The pack selection has been awesome in those. So, as always, you can check out the Boombox in the link below. I always link the Boombox. So we got 2019 playoff, 15 Chrome, 14 Strata. This should be the Elite Team All. 2013 SP Authentic. And a Topps Chrome Mini from 2014. So pretty cool pack lineup here. We'll start with the SP Authentic. I like going from years, from earliest to newest. So with the high-end football, this is third in line for the tier of Boombox. So we're going to get some older product, but everything nowadays is so expensive, you guys. It's crazy. Deion Jordan. You got an Alex Okafor. This is the canvas parallel. Looks nice. John Bostic, Josh Boyce, and Brandon Jenkins. All right, 2014 Strata. Got a piece of tape stuck to my finger here. Okay. Sherman, Demaryius Thomas, Cam Newton. We got the yellow Antonio Brown, Brandon Cooks rookie, and Mike Evans rookie. Well, nice rookies there. Okay, 2014. No, this is the 2014. 2014 Topps Mini Chrome. All right, let's see. Jay Cutler, Roddy White, Jeff Matthews, and Deone Buchanan. Maybe it's Dion. I always thought it was Deone Buchanan. I don't know. 2015 Topps Chrome. Bortles. Jonathan Stewart. We have a super rookie of Sammy Coates. And a Cody Fajardo rookie quarterback for the Raiders, who I think he ended up going to the CFL, maybe? Possibly. All right, Big Ben, Tom Brady. Oh, this is 19 playoff. Adams, Sherman, Harrison Smith. Phillip Rivers is backwards for some reason. Air Command. Rivers, and we got a game day memorabilia, game used material of Chris Harris Jr. Game used jersey patch there. It's pretty sweet. Jeffrey Simmons rookie. And our final pack in this Boombox high end for the month is going to be 2019 Donruss Elite Team All. Kenyon Drake, Josh Jacobs, Patrick Mahomes Full Throttle. That is out of 349. Numbered Patrick Mahomes, that's nice. Michael Thomas and Devontae Parker is going to close it out for this edition of the Boombox high-end football. So, it's always funny. Anytime I hit something crazy good out of one of these boxes, I get some people commenting some crazy things like setup or whatever. Then when I don't hit anything, then people say that it's a no good product. It's like, there's no pleasing everybody. I will say that when opening packs, you just never know. Sometimes you hit good, sometimes you don't. So that is going to do it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon.